This Oreo popcorn is made with freshly popped popcorn and then covered with white chocolate and crushed Oreo cookies. This is a match made in heaven, and I'm so excited to share this recipe with you. Welcome back. I'm Jill with thecarefreekitchen.com, and today I'm going to be sharing with you my Oreo popcorn recipe. Now, my husband loves Oreos. He has Oreos almost every night in the middle of the night. His favorite cookie is going to be a hit, and I'm excited to share this one with you. So here are the ingredients that you are going to need. The first thing I have is popcorn, and I just use microwave popcorn, and my favorite one is home-style popcorn because it mostly tastes like real butter and salt. So it is fun to have like a little bit of salt with the white chocolate. And this is the white chocolate that I use. This is the Ghirardelli brand, and it just melts really easy and is really smooth on that popcorn. And then of course I have a couple sleeves of Oreos here. So these are my ingredients for my Oreo popcorn. All right, so for my white chocolate, each one of these bags is about 10 ounces. So I'm going to add 1 and a little under half of this one to my bowl. Here we go there. And then you can just melt it in the microwave about 30 seconds at a time, and then you stir it, and you want to melt it until there's just like little chunks of white chocolate in there. So these are nice and smooth. And then for my popcorn, I like to pop it and then just shake it a little bit so that the kernels fall to the bottom. And then I just need 2 more cups of this to get to my 8 cups. There we go. And this is 8 cups of popcorn. There we go. And then also to my white chocolate, I'm going to add just like a tablespoon of coconut oil. And this will keep those candy melts from being too hard. And then you'll have a nice, like really soft chocolate on top. So that'll just go right in there and will heat up along with the chocolate melts. Okay, and for the Oreos, you're gonna need 2 cups of Oreos. So I'm gonna cut this whole sleeve and we'll see how much that is. And you can definitely put these into a Ziploc bag and then crush them. But you can also just use a knife and roughly chop it too. So here we go. Here's our just stack them up there. So I would say maybe 18 Oreos is what you're going to need for 2 cups, for about 18 Oreos. But no one's going to be mad if there's actually a little bit more than 2 cups. So follow your heart on this one, I guess. Okay, as you can see, it's all nice and melty. Okay, and now for our popcorn. And now the Oreo cookies. All right, and now we're just gonna coat it all. Take a look at that. I mean, this literally makes my mouth water. Oh, it's so yummy. I made this the other day for my daughter and her friends. They had a movie night, and I was like, what can I make in just a few minutes? And it was Oreo popcorn. We had everything on hand, and I mean, the kids love it. It's so fun to make and so fun to eat too. So there we go. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it onto a baking sheet and let it air dry a little bit. And then that way we'll have nice little crispy pieces of popcorn. Okay, this is helpful to just put it on a nice thin layer in your pan and let it sit and let that white chocolate harden just a little bit. And that way it's not really messy when you eat it either. There you go. And you can even pop it in the fridge if you want to hurry it along too. And as I see this, there's a couple little unpopped kernels, and I try and get those out in the beginning, but if you see any more, now is a great time to just take them out. All right, here is my Oreo popcorn. Each one of the kernels are coated in white chocolate. And after your chocolate has had a chance to cool, it's just, you can break it apart into these little bite-sized pieces. They easily just fall apart, and look how cute those are. And the way that I like to serve them when I'm doing a party or a gathering, I like to get these little cups, and you can find these at the party supply store, or you can order them on Amazon. I love having them around to serve fruit or like little dip and chips, but it works really good for these popcorn recipes too. So I'm just gonna add that here, and this is a really fun, no big treat, and my kids love these. Okay, and now time for the taste test. We have a little bit of Oreo and popcorn and the white chocolate. Yep, I could eat a lot of this. This might be dangerous. This is such a fun treat. And so fun to eat too. All right, here's my Oreo popcorn. This is a no big treat that everyone can get behind. It is so easy to make. It only takes about 10 minutes to make and then about 10 minutes to cool. You can cool it in your fridge or in any cool area. And this is a party anytime you make this Oreo popcorn. Thank you so much for watching this episode of the Carefree Kitchen. Be sure to like, subscribe, and follow me here, and I will show you all kinds of fun and easy recipes that your family will love. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.